Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress usernames. As you may know, WordPress doesn't let you edit usernames directly, but not to worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to get it done. Number one, creating a new user using a plugin and using the phpMyAdmin. And that's if you're comfortable with database changes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if this is the first time coming across my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified when I upload a new video just like. Let's dive right in and get your username updated. Let me quickly confirm to you that you cannot change WordPress usernames. So I'm already logged into my WordPress dashboard and I'll click on users. From the users, you can see I only have one user in which the role is administrator. If I click on edit for the administrator user and I scroll a little bit down, you can see the username right here. And you can see it's not editable with this prompt right here. Usernames cannot be changed. And in this case, we have confirmed that we cannot edit the WordPress username from right here. So the first method I'm going to teach you is how to change the WordPress username by creating a new user. Now, if I click on the add new user, I'll just go ahead to fill up this information. So the most important step you need to take right here is to click on the roles drop down and select administrator. You can see that. Now I'll click on the add new user because the new user has been added. Now what we're going to do is to log into the new user and then delete the old user. Right now I'm logged into this admin user. I'm going to log out of this admin user and log into the new user, and from there I can delete the admin user. So let me get to that right away. I hover here and I click on log out because I'm going to log into the new user. Right now I'm logged into the new user. If I hover here, you can make sure that the username is new user. Okay, now I'll head over to the users. So right now I can go ahead to delete this admin user. You can see that. So when I click on delete, right here I can choose between one of these options to delete all content by this user, or I can just attribute all contents posted or published by this user to the new user right here. So I'm going to select this option and I'll click on confirm deletion. So right here you can see that the old user is gone and we now have a new admin. So this is the first method on how to change the WordPress admin username. Now let's move into the second method, which is using a plugin. Go over to the plugins and add new. From here you can just search for a new plugin called, let's search for the plugin called the easy username updater, and here it is. So I will just click on install now, install the plugin, and after that I'm going to click on the activate because to activate the plugin. So after the plugin is activated, if I hover on the users, I'm going to see the option for the username update. Now when I click on the username updater right there, you can see the current username is the new user. Okay, now when I click on update, now this plugin is the one working over here. So when I click on update, you can see new username. Of course, I'm going to impute the new username. So I'll just name this plugin user. Now I'm going to click on update username. As you can see, the username has been updated. So if I click on this go back, I'm going to be logged out. So from here I'll just go ahead to log back in with the new username, but of course with the old password. And as you can see, I'm logged back in and you can see my username right here is the plugin user. From here as well, you can see it as the plugin user. And if I go over to the users, that's all users, you can see that my new username is now the plugin user. So this right here is the second method for changing your WordPress username. Now let's move into the third method, which is using the phpMyAdmin. And to do that, we'll need to log into the cPanel. Of course, I'm logged into my cPanel already, and the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the WordPress installer. So when I click on the WordPress manager by Softaculous, I'm going to see the WordPress installer right here. As you can see over here, this is the WordPress installation, and when I toggle this down, you can see information about this installation. So I'll just click on the view database right here to open up the phpMyAdmin for that database. And as you can see, this is already the tables for the database. Just head over to the users, and as you can see from right here, I can just double click right here to edit the username. But another good way to do this is to click on the edit. All right, so we click on edit, and as you can see from here, it says the username. Of course I'm going to change it to another thing, right? DB user, I think. So I'll scroll down and I click on go. Right here, the username has been changed. So if I head back to the website, yeah, you can see now that I've been logged out already because the system has detected that my username has changed. Now I'm going to log in using the new username, which is the DB user, right? Now, still the same password, and boom, I'm logged in. As you can see, if I reload this page, now you can see the new username, DB user. So these are the three simple methods with which you can change your WordPress admin username easily, even though you are not allowed to change the username from the dashboard of the WordPress. All right, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any further question about WordPress or about this video particularly, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial video just like this. I will see you the next time you see my videos. Peace out.